Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Eng-Ban School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, running shift. My dear students, today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. Our today's topic, word meaning English to Bangla 1 to 5 CW. So, dear students, let's see our today's topic. Our today's topic class is Junior 1, subject English, topic word meaning English to Bangla 1 to 5 CW. Lecture 8, SW will be 5. Term Haveli, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, my dear students, let's start our today's class. Okay. My dear students, so let's see our today's class. Snail. What is the meaning of snail? Let's see one thing. Word meaning English to Bangla. Okay. So in these sections, English word will be given. You have to write Bangla. Okay. Before that, we learned English to English word meaning. This is English to Bangla word meaning. So what is the meaning of snail? S-N-A-I-L, snail means shamuk. Okay, so we have to write shamuk. Shoyakar, mo, oshukar, ko, shamuk. Okay, snail means shamuk. You know, my dear students, after the word meaning, you cannot put a dari or full stop. Okay, so number 2, pillow. What does pillow means? Pillow means balish. So, boyakar, rashoikar, talbasha, balish. So, pillow means balish. Number 3, doll means doll, D-O-W, doll. You play with a doll, doll means putul. Doll means poroshukar, toroshukar, la, putul. Doll means putul. Number 4, moon. M-W-N, moon. In the night you can see moon in the sky. So moon means chad. Choyakar, Chandrabindu Aka, and the chad. So moon means chad. Last one, soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R. Its pronunciation is soldier. The soldier. What does soldier means? Shoinik. Dantasha. Rashoikar, no, Rashoikar, ko. Okay, Danta Shoikar, no, Rashoikar, ko. Shoinik. So, soldier means Shoinik. So, my dear students, these are the 5 word meaning. Let's read again. Number 1, snail. Snail means shamuk. Number 2, pillow. Pillow means balish. Number 3, doll. Doll means putul. Number 4, moon. Moon means chat. Number 5, soldier. Soldier means shoinik. Again I am reading. Snail means shamuk. Pillow means balish. Doll means putul. Moon means chat. And 5, soldier means shoinik. So my dear students, your SW will be SW5. What will be SW? What meaning English to Bangla 1 to 5. This will be your SW. SW5, word meaning English to Bangla 1 to 5. SW5, word meaning English to Bangla 1 to 5. So, thanks for watching this class, my dear students. That's all for today. So keep practicing at home, about your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.